let's check out this 2010 Mustang GT. Haven't really looked around too much on this, besides a quick view to get this thing moved in my driveway here. But I'm about to bring this into the shop, and I just kind of wanted to check it out while it's outside. A little dirty down there. Got some randomness back here. We'll go see what's there. There's a little tumbler. Let's open the hood. See what we can find. This is the 4.6. I think they make about 315 horsepower, something like that. Whew, heavy hood. All right. Let's just take a quick look, see if we see anything that looks like it could be a problem. Let me do the hood stay real quick. Sorry, got my belly there. Just a second. Okay, hood latches up. Let's check this out. Come on. There's coolant in there. That's good. Always a good sign. And it looks normal. See if we see any indications of any leaking or anything like that. I mean, normal stuff you see here. This all looks pretty good. Looking down there by the exhaust manifold, I don't see anything crazy. Battery looks pretty decent. It didn't want to turn over though, so I'm thinking I need to hook up to the charger. Yeah, looks like your typical 4.6. Let's check out that. That's pretty good too. How's the brake fluid or power steering fluid? That is up to the line, so looking good. Let's go check out what's in the trunk. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Use the key to open this thing. Man, that's heavy too. What is all this? We got some painter's tape, some water. You guys thirsty? Some gloves, a safety vest, some, looks like coasters, another cup, tiny funnel. Everybody needs buckets, right? Yeah, all sorts of stuff back here. Does that say what I think it says? Interesting. Well, looks like we're gonna have fun doing this. Hopefully it is just the transmission like we were told. We kind of did a sight unseen, so we'll see what we're dealing with here. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. After I put down the hood, I was looking at this headlight and it looked cracked, and so I went to touch it, and yeah, that's tape. Oh man, this is gonna be so much fun. Got a little bit of crack there in the bumper cover. These driving lights in the grill have seen better days, but I'm sure we can make this thing look pretty good. However, we are going to be on a budget. Like I said, we are doing this for the Grassroots Motorsports 2026 challenge, or $2,000 challenge is what they call it. Last time we did that, I did it with my dad about 20 years ago. We did it with a Porsche 944. So this should be fun. I might even have enough time to get this E36 up here ready. So we'll see. Yeah. Decisions. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know. Take it easy.